What's going on, everybody? I'm back with a trade recap. I know I've been ducked off for a little bit, having some struggles with my trading, but I'm back. Had to figure some things out, and today I caught a crazy banger. $600 on the day. I'll insert my P&L sometime during the video, but in this video, definitely just want to go over the trade I took, see what I've been back testing, see what I've been learning, and take it from there. So, like, sub, leave a comment, all that good stuff on any other videos that you guys want to see next. And without me yapping anymore, let's get into it. All right, so each day I always mark out our pre-market highs and I always mark out our pre-market lows. And the strategy is we would like to see a break above or below these levels for a retest and take the trade back up to either high a day or low a day. Obviously, in this trade, we're taking calls, so we want the stock to go up. Obviously, on this day, we're taking calls, so we want the stock to go up. So that's exactly what I did today. So if we actually turn on our bar replay here, so you guys can see what I saw. Let's get that pulled up. Select bar. Oh. This thing will load. All right. So we'll hit play on that. All right, going into the day, we got some indecision here off the open. We got our 5-minute candle that closed. Oh, let me back that up a little bit. So we got our 5-minute candle that closed over. Boom. So now I see we closed over our pre-market high. We got this 5-minute close. We got our VWAP sitting right here. I'll go over VWAP in a later video. And we also have our pre-market high. So right here, this kind of gives me 3 reasons to get in the trade. And honestly, what I did, I added a 4th reason. I took our Fibonacci tool and I put it from our swing low to our swing high here. And that gave us around this area, which is near our pre-market high as well as our VWAP. So I had 4 confluences to get into this trade. So then we hit play. Our next candle opens up. Get that retest. So what I do here, I take my position here. So I get my long entry here. We get our reaction off our pre-market high and our VWAP. My stop is very small stop. We break below VWAP, I'm out. Simple as that. And I was aiming for high a day. Oh, high day was here. So not the best planned RR, but of course you take first trims, high a day, rest of your contracts, you just let them run. So we play out, we hit play, and this move I was not expecting at all. We get this massive candle up, and this netted me I think I exited all my contracts here about a 9 RR trade. So for every $100 of risk, I would have made $900. Of course, that's not what happened. I think I risked maybe 60, 70, 80 bucks or so to make $600. I'll go ahead and show my P&L. So, all right, here's my broker. I'm on the Schwab platform, Thinkorswim, real-time data, no fakes, no nothing, all real. P&L day 577. Now that is my biggest day yet, so of course super excited about it. The work that I've been putting in has actually been working, so definitely just gives me a boost of confidence. Yeah, so that's the trade today. Trade breakdown. Again, just go over it one more time for you guys. We got our pre-market levels marked out. Chart looks a little weird. Pre-market highs, pre-market lows marked out. We got our VWAP sitting here after our 5-minute close. Get in here at the tap of our pre-market high. Stop loss down here, breaking close below our pre-market high, and first target was high a day. Did not trim there again because we had this insane move up here, and I got all out up here for $577 and give or take a 3-minute trade. So that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you tuning in. Like I said, like, sub, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.